The profound quest for life's purpose. What does that mean? What if the search for life's purpose is, in fact, the very purpose we're meant to pursue? Life's purpose is like a magnificent tapestry, woven with threads of our dreams, desires, and the complex web of societal expectations. It is not a static destination, but an ever-evolving journey of self-discovery and personal growth. And it is influenced by both our innermost aspirations and the external pressures we face. As we navigate this journey, we often find ourselves walking a delicate tightrope between personal fulfillment and our role in the broader interconnected journey of humanity. Are you ready? Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey of self-discovery and personal growth? And if you are ready, let us explore this incredible path together and discover the profound purpose that awaits us all. You never know what you'll find on the other side of purpose, on the other side of this incredible journey. Blessings always.